All right, hey, this is Hans.
And this is Kit.
And this is the chocolate break. So now we've decided and agreed that we are going to have a show.
Every week.
Every week. And what we'll do is I'll find a chocolate item and she'll find a chocolate item. And then we'll share our chocolate items with you.
Mm-hmm. And each other.
And each other. All right, well, ladies first.
All right. This week I chose a Mars bar from Canada.
Canada, oh Canada.
Oh, Canada. Note it says it's peanut free for anybody who can't have peanuts. Go ahead and get this open.
Oh my.
Alright.
That is a chocolate bar.
That is a chocolate bar.
Kind of looks like a turd.
I was kind of thinking the same thing.
Hopefully it doesn't taste like a turd.
Yeah. How much of a piece do you want to try?
Oh, I'm game. I'm game for, I haven't.
Just split it.
Oh wow, that's a lot. Perhaps we should show the.
Split it again. Maybe.
Yeah.
Alright, so there's the inside, as you can see. It looks like it has some caramel and nougat, maybe?
Nougat. Alright, well, my love, shall we have a quick imbibe?
Yep, ready, set,
go. Wow, that's sweet. So what's the difference between this and a Milky Way?
I have no idea. We'll have to get a Milky Way.
I guess we would.
I don't even know. I haven't had a Milky Way in so long. I don't know what the difference would be.
But I thought a Milky Way was nougat and caramel and chocolate on the outside.
But that's what this is too, though. If you look at it, you've got this right here, which is the nougat, and then you've got a layer of caramel, and then it's covered in milk chocolate.
Maybe that's why they got rid of the Mars bar. But the Mars bars here had peanuts in them, didn't they? Or was it almonds?
No, I don't know. I couldn't tell.
They did. They had almonds because they got rid of the Mars bars once they came out with Snickers with almonds.
I was gonna say, so would that be like a Snickers?
So this is like a Milky. Oh, maybe they don't have Milky Way up in Canada.
Why would they not just call it a Milky Way? Why do they have to call it a Mars bar? Like, it's the same company, right?
That's a good question. It might not be. Is it M&M Mars? Or no, wait, Mars.
I think Mars.
It used to be M&M Mars. Maybe they split.
No, it's Mars Canada.
Mars Canada.
Yeah. I think M&M is made by Mars too, though.
Yeah. I don't know.
Alright, well, looks like we'll have to do some research.
Yeah, we'll get back to you on that.
Yep.
But
very sweet.
Very sweet. Scale of 1 to 5. What do you think?
Yeah, maybe a 5.
1 to 5? A 5?
Oh, I'm sorry. 1 to 5. A 2.
A 2?
It's good because it's candy.
Sure.
But it's very sweet. And it kind of just all melts together into one flavor. I don't know.
There's no like texture barriers that are allowing you to kind of...
Yeah. It'd be nice if the caramel was a little more caramely, I guess. Or maybe there was more of it.
Yeah. I'll be honest with you. I could eat 10 of those. It's candy. Candy is delicious food. Eat some every day. But actually, there's candy boxes that say that. But for me, I feel like I have like a huge loogie in the back of my throat just from the sheer amount of sugar that's in that. I mean, yeah, totally. Come on. So I'm
very sweet.
I'll give it a. It's not my preferred vehicle for sugar. I would put that as a 1.75 out of 5.
Ooh.
So I will.
Good deal.
All right. Well, thanks for bringing that to our tasting table, my love.
Absolutely.
And now I will bring forth what I plan to share today. I looked around and I found this. This is like a really dark chocolate Ghiraadelli bar. I got it at Safeway. I thought it'd be interesting.
Midnight dark.
Midnight dark. Yeah, so Let's get our napkin out and place it. Place our napkin. Thank you, my love. Let's see. Let's open the thing up. It has stuff here about what's in it. I know what's in it. It's got chocolate in it. If you're watching this show for like high-end reviews, like saying things like mouthfeel, I'll say mouthfeel, but that's probably about as far as it's gonna go, you know? So it comes in the lovely gold foil. Oh, it's already been miterated upon. It's cracked. Let's open this up. How keen are you on really dark chocolate?
I don't like to eat a lot of it. I definitely like milk chocolate better than dark chocolate.
So this is basically a bar of those squares that Ghiraadelli makes.
Dark chocolate's more for baking.
Well, that's semi-sweet. This is...
No, you can use dark chocolate to bake with.
You can? Well, you can use milk chocolate. You can use any chocolate to bake with, I guess.
Chocolate to bake.
But, I have always heard that with dark chocolate, you're supposed to let it kind of sit on your tongue and let it melt in.
Oh, I've never heard that.
Yeah. Well, let's cut it. Have a look at what we got. I thought a batleth might be good for dark chocolate. So... I hear Kalis. He's coming out of the chocolate. Oh, this isn't working well. This chocolate might have been made by a patak. There. I will see the chocolatier in Stofakor. Anyways, yeah, if you don't know what I'm talking about, just ignore that. So. Anyways, here's some chocolate that I cut up with a funny sci-fi knife. You want a piece? You want to try? And I shall try this one. Ding! Let's go. I'm letting it melt on my tongue.
That's disgusting. Oh, that should be illegal. Like I would spit it out if I had a chance.
It's very bitter.
Oh my god, that's hideous.
No?
No way.
But see, you don't like straight shots of espresso, right?
No way.
Yeah, this has the nice bitterness that I like from espresso.
That's horrible.
But insofar as what you brought to the table looking like a turd, I would say this has more of the taste of a turd with its bitterness.
How do you know what a turd tastes?
I just got a feeling, you know? I just kind of got a feeling. Yeah. I think a turd probably. I don't know.
That's horrible.
That's bitter.
That's nasty.
It's like.
Ew, why would you eat more?
This is the chocolate that's good for you.
It doesn't taste anything like chocolate, though.
You don't think so?
No, I don't think so at all.
It doesn't taste anything like milk chocolate.
I don't think it tastes anything like chocolate.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, 85% of what is in this bar
is chocolate.
Is cocoa.
Yeah.
Or cacao.
Cacao.
I don't know why they call it that.
Ugh.
Kind of rude, I think.
Evil. I mean, I knew it was going to be bitter, but I didn't think it was going to be like, I want to spit it out because it's so yucky.
There we go. Ah! Chocolate blood. Well, I don't mind that. Why 0 to 5 stars, and what do you think about it? Everything you want to gush about this wonderful chocolate.
Oh, I would say 0 because it doesn't taste like chocolate. It's very bitter and almost kind of like sour too, a little bit. I don't know. It's yucky. It's filthy.
I will say a bar like this definitely does not need to be ingested all in one sitting. I will also say that this would go really well with something. But what that something would be, I don't know, because my first thought, hey, that'd go great with espresso. But it's like you already get that kind of sensation and flavor from espresso. So
yeah,
I don't.
Bitter.
Yeah, it's like going to be competing. Everything starts tasting bitter. You're not going to notice the bitter or any of the nuances of the bitterness. So I guess this is if you really want to have a nice bitter chalky in your mouth. As far as like a daily driver, as far as chocolate goes, no, I wouldn't eat this every day. I don't even eat candy every day. Literally, I never, ever, I mean, the closest I get are my fiber bars. Yeah, so.
Eat candy once a week.
Yeah, we pretty much eat chocolate once a week. I'll give this, I like the idea of it. I like that it's different, but do I really like it? No. I'll give it a 1 star. 1 out of 5.
Generous.
No, not generous. I mean, it can be used in things. I could see this being chopped up. I mean, this would go good in a cookie, I think. If you crushed this up, made it chocolate chips, that would be super good because the cookie's already sugary. If you put sugar on this and ate it, you would think completely different.
Like take it and melt it down, and then put it in something where you could like make a frosting or something sweet out of it.
Well, see, one thing you don't have in this that you have in milk chocolate, I believe, most of the time, is vanilla, and there's no vanilla in that.
No.
It's like vanilla, cacao, and what is it? Some kind of butter, like waxy butter stuff, oil. I don't know. But yeah, 1 star for this and 0 star for you on this. And for the Mars bar, you gave it 2 stars and I gave it 1.75.
I think so.
We gotta do better hunting next week. Although what you've got in the fridge for next week looks amazing.
Maybe, we'll find out.
Yeah. All right, well, cool. Thanks for joining us for our 2nd episode. Actually, we can call this our 1st episode. The last one was kind of like the pilot for the series. So, yeah. All right, well, this has been Hans.
And this is Kit.
Wishing you enjoyment of your chocolate all the time.
Every day.
Constantly. Have a good one. Bye.